Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to cut this beautiful bubble gown you are seeing in front of your screen right now. This video is the cutting process, and in the next video, I'll be showing you how to sew this beautiful bubble gown. So if this is your first time seeing my video or coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bar to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So let's dive into the video. Welcome back to the video. So first of all, here are the measurements we will be needing for this tutorial. We will be needing the shoulder measurements. You know how to divide it now. Divide it into two, divide it by two, then the hip circumference, because we'll be using one measurement to cut the whole outfit, okay, because it's a bubu kaftan dress, so it does not really need to have shape. It's just a straight cut. So for that measurement, here I personally will be using the hip measurement for the cutting. So the shoulder measurement, we are needing the hip measurement and the full length, okay, and the full length measurement. Then we'll be adding some extra measurement to the circumference to make it free, very free, okay. So I'm done with pinning my outfit, and the next thing is to draw the starting line, which will be the shoulder measurement, the shoulder line. Like, all the measurements is starting from this line that I just draw now. So from there, I'll impute my full length measurement, because that was what I'll be taking first now. The full length measurement, and also from there I'll be putting the shoulder measurement, neckline measurement, and every other measurement. So the full length is 63, and that's what I took out here. And then again, after taking the full measurement, you add 2 inches for folding allowance, okay, for the hem folding allowance. And you draw the lines, you make a straight line. Then the next thing is to divide the shoulder measurement by two, and then I'll put it here. The shoulder measurement is 17 inches divided by 2 is will give you 8.5, I think, right? So the next, you know that this is a bubu gown, like it is a cut together sleeve, okay. So the sleeve length is 17 or thereabout, but the remaining measurement, after I took my shoulder measurement here, is not really up to that 17 inches. So I just put it there, and remember, I'll be adding it a white doll face, okay. So the white doll face will make up to the full length. So here I took out the neckline measurement. I came in i came in by 3 inches. The width of my neckline is 3 inches, and then for the front neckline, I came down by 3 inches first. Then for the back neckline, I came down by 1.5, and that's what I'm marking. So I'm connecting my shoulder, from my neckline to the 1 inch shoulder slant that I repeated here. So the next thing is to impute the wideness of the sleeve. Okay, I first of all I used my shoulder measurement, which is 8.5. I used it, then I added extra 2 inches or 3 inches there about, like for the freeness of the gown. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to mark my boss a point, but I'm not actually using the boss point measurement. Yeah, I'm using where the sleeve, like the length of the sleeve, where it stopped. That's where I'm marking the bust. I'm using it as the bust measurement. Okay, I'm not really using the actual bust measurement. I used where the sleeve length stopped. That was where I used as my bust point. Now I'm imputing my hip circumference. My hip circumference divided by 4, then plus extra 2 inches for the freeness, and also 2 inches for the sewing allowance. And then I'll connect it. I'll use the measurement down to the hemming point. Please watch this video carefully too, so that to know and understand what I'm doing here. So now I'm connecting all the lines. I'm connecting it together. After connecting the lines from the bust point, I came down by 2 inches to make the sleeve curve. As you can see, I'm making the sleeve curve, the armhole curve. Okay. So the front neckline has a kind of slant, open um design at the front, right? So that was what I mark out right now. So now I'm cutting out the slanted, the shoulder slope. So it's time to cut out the outfit. I'm trying to mark out where I'll be putting the pocket. Okay, but then I realized that I needed the starting point to get the exact measurement that I needed for it. So I had to put it back, put the put the pieces that I cut off. I had to put it back to get the exact measurement, and I've done that. I've gotten it. Okay, the measurement that I used here, I measured out her waist, her half length. Then I went down. I went down by extra 2 inches. Okay, after getting her half length, I came down again by 2 inches for the pocket. So here I'm I'll be cutting out the back pattern using the front pattern that I just cut out now. And there's nothing much to do here. You just to place the first pattern on top of the back, and then cut it out. So here I'm cutting out the front neckline, and the next is to cut the whole outfit out. And also I notched where I'll be putting the pocket for the back pattern. And the next thing is to cut out my pocket, to cut out the the pieces I'll be using for the pocket. And how I got it was I measured the length, the length. I measured it 12 inches. Then the width, I measured it the same 12 inches. Then I cut it out. So guys, thank you for watching up to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video. See you guys in my next video in the sewing part. Please stay tuned. Thank you.